Hello everyone, this is my new model, screwdriver bit organizer with the level. Yeah, before I had the same model, just without level eye. So it looks like this holder. Yeah, it's like here. Yeah, without eye. And this time I decided to add that level here, which is very handy, especially if you are a handyman or engineer or whatever, technician. So actually you can use it in horizontal, just like so, or you can put also vertical, because there is the magnets with keeping those bits inside the hole, like so, up, and then you can just add it wherever you want, obviously on the metal surface, up, and horizontal position, just like that. Yeah, print is very easily, very straightforward. Nozzle was 0.4 millimeter. Every hole where you put those bits has a magnet underneath, if you can see there. Come on, focus. Come on. No, yeah, use the thing. So yeah, up, just like that. And you can see how well these magnets work. Actually like a, let's see, up, very good. So yeah, just check the link below, feel free to download and print. Good luck.